How to create live sales pop-up notifications in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done and completely for free. So let's just go and get started. First, we simply just want to click on apps, click on all recommended apps, and click on Shopify App Store. Simply just go to the top and search for Deer. And you should be able to find this one right here, for Deer Sales Pop-up Pop-ups. It's going to be this one, so just go and click on install. Click on install one more time. Now we simply just need to set things up. So first you will need to enable the app. So just go and click on this button right here. I already did that, so you just going to have to click on this. It's just going to take you to the online store, app embeds. Just make sure it is enabled, like you see in this picture right here. Click on save from the top right, and that's all you need to do. Next, we need to click on create pop-up. And by the way, you can just feel free to start creating more pop-ups from this section here. But if it's your first time, you can just do it from here. Click on create pop-up. And now we need to basically just start customizing it. So first, if we just click on the type, we can just go to the pop-up type here. We have a few templates to choose from, but we can just go to the custom one and really adjust it to our liking. Feel free to adjust these, the corners, the size of it, and so on. And once you're happy with this section, we can just go to image if you want to add a background image. Next, we simply just want to go to start status custom. This is going to be the title, which is welcome offer. You can feel free to change every single thing here by just clicking on it. And you can obviously feel free to change this. And you have a lot of options when it comes to text, like font size, line height, and so on. We can just go back and go to the next one. So you can again feel free to change it to what's actually suitable for your situation. I'm not trying to collect emails in this section, so I'm just going to remove email address. And I'm also going to remove this right here. So now I have this button, which I also can feel free to adjust from here. And by the way, you can feel free to change the action of the button by just scrolling down. You can just go to action, go to URL, and you can actually just link it to a product if you have a discount on that specific product. So in this case, this is going to be the most suitable option for me. So I'm just going to leave it as go to URL, and I'm going to link it to the product that I have a sale on. Next, you can just go to the success status custom, and you can feel free to just adjust this. It's exactly the same thing. You just have to do the same steps, but for this screen. Anyways, once we are done with the design, we can just go to condition, and we can just click on user behavior. This is going to be when it's going to show up for people, and whether you want it to repeat or not, and so on. And also you can feel free to hide the teaser, which I'm going to do. Next, you can just click on location if you want to have specific countries. And we also have the visibility date if you want to set up a specific date for that. Next, just click on display on the top and click on display one more time. And then from here, you can just select the different pages that you want to show this on. I'm just going to select all pages. And we are pretty much done. We can click on create on the top, and we simply now need to actually activate it, and it's just going to be working. So if we just go back to our app and click on pop-ups, if this pop-up right here says it's active, then we are pretty much good to go. We can just go to our online store, view it, and just give it a few seconds because I think we set it up to be 4 seconds, and you have your pop-up ready to go. And this button is going to work, and everything is going to be exactly as you want it to be. Completely for free. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.